Hey, hi and welcome back. So from this video, we are starting with the fourth topic of module 2 and I hope that till now, whatever you learn, you are crystal clear with all those things. So in previous topic, we completed the layout editor and in this topic, we are going to start with the libraries in Eagle. Okay. So till now, whenever we use the library for a specific component, at that time, we use the integrated library of Eagle software, right? But not every time you will get the desired library in the integrated library of Eagle software, okay? For example, let's say that you are working on a project and you are looking for a specific IC, but what if that library for that IC is not available in the integrated library of Eagle software? So in such cases, you will have to design your own library or you will have to import the third-party library. So how to do that? All those things we are going to discuss in this topic. Alright, so I hope that you will enjoy this topic. And now let's start with this topic, which is Introduction to Libraries in Eagle. So now let me tell you what you will learn in the videos covered in this particular topic. So the first video is about Introduction to Library Creation Process Part 1. So in this video, I will show you how to create the symbol and how to create the footprint for a particular component. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the footprint using method 1. Okay, so there are actually two different methods. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the footprint using method 1. Then the second video is about Introduction to Library Creation Process Part 2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the footprint using method 2. And once the footprint is created, later I will show you how to connect the footprint with the symbol. Okay. So in this video, the library for a particular component will be ready. And we will be able to use that particular library in the schematic editor and layout editor. So that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about Introduction to Popular Eagle Library Websites. Now, not every time the component that you will use in your project or product, the library for that particular component will be available in the integrated library of Eagle software. Okay. Along with that, the library creation process, it's basically a little bit tedious. And while creating the library, it's going to take a lot of time. Along with that, while creating the library, you can actually do some mistakes. Okay. And if there is any kind of mistake in the library, then that may reflect into the PCB. Okay. And we don't want that to happen, right? So in such cases, what we generally do, we look for the readily available library on the internet and we try to download that particular library and we try to use that library in the Eagle software. So all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. So I will take you to some of the popular websites and I will show you how to download the libraries from those websites and later how to integrate those libraries in the Eagle software. Okay, so all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about Introduction to Library Installation Process. So all the libraries that we download from the external website or whenever we have to import a specific library or a particular library in the Eagle software. So how to do that? All those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay. So this video is all about the process to install the library in the Eagle software. After that, the next video is about Introduction to Library Modification Process. Now, whenever we download the library from the external website, at that time, we might not be happy with the symbol and the footprints which are actually available in that particular library. Okay. So in such cases, we actually do some kind of changes in the symbol and footprint as per our requirement. So how to do those changes and how to do the modification in the library. So all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Okay. So that's how basically this topic is structured and that's how we are going to cover this particular topic. And I hope that you will enjoy this particular topic. Okay. Now let's start with this video, which is about Introduction to Library Creation Process Part 1.